Who is Grungad Lifestyle? And what if I tell you that Grungad may not be who she claims to be? But you know what, I'm there dealing with soap in the afternoon, yeah. You know, in recent times, I've been seeing this Grungad. Every minute I keep seeing Grungad on the internet. So I'm wondering, who is Grungad? Because of course I'm new to this YouTube thing, so I don't really know about the YouTube politics and all that. So I'm there, I said to myself, say, I need to figure out who name Grungad. So I find the channel Grungad Lifestyle. So I say, all right, let me check it out. And I say, man, cool content. All right, fine. So I say, I need to do some deeper research. So I decided to go check out Gemini, you know, Google AI.
Just stay with me for about 6 minutes
And
so to get
something
all of
was
the
revealed.
evidence.
But I really wonder if Nick know this. Well, I wonder if Colaz know, but most importantly, I wonder if Nick know about this. Because Gemini, that is Google's AI. And you know, Google owns YouTube. So they must know. At least I think they should know. I wonder if Nick knows what Gemini revealed to me. Because this thing a bother me from there, you know. But I may I tell you, you know, the thing's strange. Color has been all the way over there in Thailand. Colors hear this in my shop. But Nick are the one where I gonna need to answer this. But in the meantime, yeah man, this is good. And by the way, big up to the people them where I request the pot, you know. This Trini, big up yourself, you know. Pat P, big up yourself. And Olive Wilmot, big up yourself, you know. Regular commenters on my channel, and I definitely appreciate that. But while I'm here trying to get more acquainted with the YouTube space and understand the politics of what's happening, something very shocking was revealed to me. I am not saying it might be disturbing to other people, but not necessarily to me, because it don't have nothing for me to do with me. But really strange. So I'm there, I consume my beef and chicken foot. See, so I chicken foot them there? Yeah. Beef and chicken foot soup with all kind of sitting here. You may have okra and kind of things in it. You may say carrot, pumpkin, yam, cocoa, sweet potato. May have some jackfruit seed in there. Anyway, watch out going. I only can check it through. You can pause the video, go up on Google and look for who is Grungad. And I spelled it Groungad. Let me say Grungad. Because first when I hear the name, you know, instantly I thought about the dancer, veteran / superstar, bounty killer, you know, Rodney Price. But I realized somebody else. So anyway, I check it out, and this thing kept on referring to Grungad in a particular way. So I'm like, at this point, I'm like, nah, this got to be bounty killer, Rodney Price. But then I realized, nah man, this can't be bounty, because based on what I said about YouTube creator and associated with Colaz Smith and all that. So I said, no man, let me do some deeper checks. And it was revealed to me that according to the AI, Gemini, it was revealed that Grungad is a man. Because this thing kept on referring to ground God as he, him, him. And I'm like, well, on there. So, you know what I even want to get in that, you know? Nick, I figure address that. Nick, I figure address that part there. Colaz might not know about them part there, but Nick needs to address this. Why is it that Gemini, Google's AI, you know Google owns YouTube, why are they saying that? Why are they referring to ground God as he and suggesting that ground God is a man? Me not understand. You're not going to look it up, man. Just go up on YouTube. Just go up on Google. Go in a AI mode and search for who is ground God. If you tell you about Bounty Killer, search for who is ground God, the content creator, or who is ground God of Colaz Nick TV, and you're going to see what go on. Just drop, when you're done, when you come back and drop a comment under the video and let me know what was revealed to you, because this is very much unbelievable. This is shocking. Is this a case where, well, you know, man versus machine? Well, maybe woman versus machine, who knows? But what is really going on right here? Is it that Gemini is wrong? Or are they correct? You know what? Me don't know, you know. In the meantime, I go and deal my chicken foot and beef soup. You say, look rich and nice. In the meantime, I just go and watch, you know, and subscribe to the channel here, man, because this sound away. You hear me? You don't know. But they are walking at the set spot again. In the meantime, you don't know. You hear me? When you subscribe to the channel, you know. Big up. And by the way, you like the video. Like the video, hype the video, and subscribe to the channel.